Want to highlight features, services, or key information on your page? The Icon with Content component combines an icon and other content in one neat layout. Let's take a look. Here are some examples. It's ideal for showing contact details, service highlights, or quick calls to action. Now let's see how to add it. To add it, click Add, then select Icon with Content. By default, you'll see a placeholder icon with an Add button to add more content next to it. Click on the icon to edit it. Just like the Icon component, you can replace the placeholder with your own image or search for stock icons in the Image Manager. You can also crop, resize, change the aspect ratio, and even add a color overlay. To see each of these image features in more detail, watch our Icon component video. When you're happy with your changes, click OK to keep them, or cancel to undo them. Next, click Add and select the component you wish to add beside the icon. In this video, we'll add text so visitors can clearly see the contact number. Don't forget to click Save in the toolbar so your updated content goes live for your visitors. And that's it. With the Icon with Content component, you can combine a small image icon with other content to highlight your most important information in a clear, professional way.